This next award was new last year. It's for the Outstanding Team Member. And the Outstanding Team Member Award is given to someone within a team that has gone above and beyond, one who is exceeding company and departmental expectations, one who may have contributed new and innovative ideas that have improved processes, or someone who has overachieved in terms of DSO or other KPIs. This individual is a team member that has displayed an attitude and fortitude that has helped to inspire others. This year's nominees are Natalia, Mikos of Novocure, Naomi Hernandez of Aptiv, Agata Swider of Aptiv, Christoph Capel of Aptiv, Katrin Radova of Coca-Cola Europe Pacific Partners, and Mark Pace of Medtronic. The award this year goes to a person, though they have only been on the team for a short time, has demonstrated initiative and has impressed the organization with their talent and skills. They have improved different facets of reporting, simplified follow-up steps, and have driven overall efficiency in processes. This person is currently planning on implementing a collections dashboard. We need another drum roll. I do 2 clicks here, right? 2 clicks. And the winner is... Tension's building. One more. Natalia Mikos from Novocure.
One more click. No. Yes, one more. Oh, it's there. It's there.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations. You're very welcome. Let's take our photograph. Yeah. You going to say a couple of words? Yeah, go ahead.
Hello, everybody. Just quick text from me. Thank you very much. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the nomination, of course. Thank you for votes. And thank you, Novocure, to the opportunity to being here. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Callisto Grant. And have a great night for everyone.
That's it, yeah?
That's it.